What is going on, everybody? I know there's lots of questions about the emails that we're getting about the new renewal process within the VA portal. So I tried to go through this process, and a lot of other folks did, and there is an extra step that isn't really obvious. So I'm just going to go right into it of how you're supposed to do it. So you're going to click on your normal VA ID site, the one that would take you to Weblgy, or there's this PPM one. So quick tip is log in to Weblgy first, because you're going to need both open and you're going to need to use your two-step authentication with both. So sign in with ID Me to get into the PPM, just like you would LGY. And then just like any other time you're trying to pull a COE or an appraisal, you got to do your two-step. So let's see here. All right. And I already did mine, so I'm going to try and go as far as I can with this, but it's actually pretty darn simple. So you're going to come in here, and there is a help guide on the site or the email that you got. So right now, if you're an existing lender brokerage account, you're going to request the third one over, and you're going to see down here the VARM portal renewals and validations. So you click here, and it's going to open up a new screen. Here's where the challenge came in. So you have to enter in your VA lender ID. You can actually cut and paste if you don't have it memorized. And then you have to go back and get your PIN number. This is where the issue comes in. So you'll come over here, and admin has to be the one doing this. And you're going to request your PIN number. And it does update every 30 days. One thing that I did try is to reset my PIN. That didn't work. Use the existing PIN. So you can actually also copy and paste this one. And then you'll put it in here. Hit next. You may get an error. I don't know if I'm going to get an error or not. Let's see. I don't know if I can actually do this, because boom, perfect. I got an error. Incorrect PIN. So we're going to come back over here, and you're going to contact the RLC, just like you would when you have to follow up with any question, underwriting, etc. You're going to come down here, contact LGY by phone, the 877-827-3702. What you're going to do is go to option 2. And you're going to tell them, I'm so-and-so. You're going to have to identify yourself with your name, your lender ID, and your current VA PIN. They're going to most likely tell you. I had a sweet lady that helped me. She goes, oh, this is a common thing. It's not this PIN. It's one, I think it's the original PIN that you got. But once they verify your identity, they will give you the correct PIN number. And you come in here, type it in, make sure to read it back. It's case specific. You'll hit next, and that's it. That's all you guys have to do. So hopefully this helps. I burned up about an hour trying to figure out what the heck was going on, and then contacted a buddy of mine. He said, yeah, I had to call the VA. So I hope this is very helpful for everybody, and just reach out to us with any questions.